The CMF Phone 2 Pro is shaping up to be a significant step forward in Nothing's sub-brand lineup, bringing a fresh blend of design innovation and solid performance to the mid-range smartphone market. Officially launching on April 28, 2025, the Phone 2 Pro continues CMF's commitment to accessible tech that doesn't sacrifice aesthetics or features. It's expected to come with a 6.3-inch AMOLED display, delivering vibrant colors and deep blacks, which makes it ideal for media consumption, gaming, and everyday tasks. Under the hood, the phone will likely be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7400 chipset, an efficient and capable SoC for this price range, paired with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, ensuring a smooth user experience whether you're multitasking or diving into more demanding apps. On the photography front, the CMF Phone 2 Pro raises the bar with a triple camera setup, a 50MP main sensor for crisp, detailed shots, a 13MP ultra-wide lens for capturing expansive landscapes, and a 2MP depth sensor for better portrait effects. Selfies and video calls are handled by a 16MP front-facing camera, promising clear and flattering results. The device is also expected to house a large 5,000 mAh battery with 33W fast charging, helping users power through their day without interruptions. A unique design feature is the modular rear panel, complete with visible screws, which allows users to customize the back cover, a nod to Nothing's signature design language and a playful addition for those who like to personalize their tech. Unlike its predecessor, the Phone 2 Pro is also rumored to include a charger in the box, which will be a welcome surprise for many. It's set to be available in India via Flipkart, aligning with CMF's online-first sales strategy and aiming to reach a wide audience through one of the country's biggest e-commerce platforms. With all these features bundled into what's expected to be a competitively priced phone, the CMF Phone 2 Pro could easily become one of the most talked about mid-range releases of 2025.